In this video, we will show you when you need to change your Combisteamer gasket and how to do it correctly. You need the following items and ancillary products for this. Check the condition of the gasket. If air escapes from the side during the start of the operation, or it does not close properly, you should replace the gasket with a new one. In order to determine the most suitable gasket for your Combisteamer, you should read the nameplate of your appliance. This is usually located near the power supply. Make a note of the manufacturer and the model number. Then, send us the photo of the nameplate by email. We will then send you a link where you can order your new gasket directly. If the key data for the appliance type is not recognized or the nameplate is not accessible, you can also determine the most suitable gasket using another method. To do this, remove the old gasket from its holder. Start in the corners and then carefully loosen the edges. Measure the length and width of the gasket and make a note of them. With the help of gasket shears or suitable household scissors, cut a piece out. Make sure that the cut is straight so that the parts can be reassembled easily afterwards. Now make a stamp impression of the gasket next to the dimensions and send in the data. Before installing a new gasket, thoroughly clean the groove and the entire support surface of the gasket. Use a degreasing detergent and a sponge or cloth. Now install the new gasket. Start in the corners and work your way carefully from both sides to the center. This way, you will prevent air holes and make sure that the gasket is seated correctly in the end. Finally, make sure that the gasket closes properly by putting the Combisteamer into operation. All items can be found at horecatiger.eu/en-eu. To receive further service tips and offers, subscribe to our newsletter. In the comments column below this video, you are welcome to leave us your feedback and tell us which topics you are interested in.